How to add a group to favorite on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a group to favorite on Skype mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Skype and then select any group here you want, like this one, friends. Click on it and then click on this top corner here and then go down and you will find here this one, add to favorites. If you want to turn it on, just click on it, and as you see, click on it and go back, and this group has been added to favorites. And now just go here and click here if you want this group, and don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.